Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you don't really enjoy cleaning your car, but you do love playing with things, you're gonna love this dust cleaning gel from PULIDIKI. I don't know how cars have so much dust in them all the time, and vacuums don't always get all of the little nooks and crannies. So this dust cleaning gel really gets deep down into those little spots that are hard to reach, but don't be afraid to really push on it. You have to really jam it in those little spots so that you can get all of those particles out. And even though it picks up dust and particles, don't worry, it's not going to stick to your hands or leave any weird stickiness behind. It is nice and cool though, so it's very refreshing. And it's just really fun to play with. Who doesn't want one of these? So if you're looking for a fun and easier way to keep your car dust-free and keep it nice and clean, you are going to love this dust cleaning gel from PULIDIKI. And that's my point of view.